EM-PPC EM-PPC 10B is a 10.1-inch fanless industrial panel PC, processing with Intel Celeron quad-core, standard Windows 10 operating system. The EM-PPC 10B adopts a pure flat 10-point capacitive touchscreen. The front panel is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof. In and out interfaces include USB 3.0 and USB 2.0, dual RS-232 serial port, 2 RJ45 network ports, an audio output interface, an HDMI interface and a SIM card slot, a mini PCI Express slot for a wireless card. The EM-PPC 10B industrial panel PC is impressively versatile. It can be easily installed with a back VESA mount or embedded almost anywhere and used for most industrial scenes.